I didn't become a psychic or medium until about the age of 40. Hang on and I'll tell you how that came about. First of all, I was raised in a very strict religion. My dad was a Pentecostal preacher, and it was a sin to be psychic, and it was a big sin to talk to people on the other side. Well, about the age of 40, I had a encounter that changed my life from Archangel Gabriel, and his message to me was, teach everybody how they can talk to angels. I didn't know about the mediumship part. Well, my dad was really sick, and he died, and he wasn't called yet before he started talking to me. That was the first dead person, crossed over person, who talked to me. And he was saying, now Becky Doodle, he called me Becky Doodle, but nobody else can, all right? Here's what I want for my casket. I want this. And I said, Dad, what are you doing? You know, it's a sin to talk to dead people, right? He says, oh, I know I said that, but I'm right here now, and I know that there's people on this side that really want to make amends. They can see, they have their life reviewed, they see all the kinds of stuff going on, and they see people grieving, and they want to contact them. And you know what? He started bringing me people that were grieving or that felt resentment, because a lot of times people go to the other side and they were not so nice to those left behind. It turned into a ministry that I did for a pretty long time. I know that it doesn't matter what your age, if you're desiring to be more psychic or to become a medium, you can do it. I even found out there's certain parts of your brain that you can scientifically awaken. You want to subscribe if you like stories about being a medium, case studies that I've had about helping people on this side and the other side. And if you think you might be interested in learning more about mediumship, I actually created a course that teaches even the most left-brained person in the world how to become more psychic. As Jim Edwards would say, even if you don't have a freaking psychic bone in your body, you can do this. So, I'm Rebecca Marina, and I look forward to being your friend and guide. I'll put a link below in case you want more information, and I look forward to sharing more stories, case studies with you. Oh, leave a comment below if you've had some experiences like this. I want to know. And you know what? It's not just you leaving the comment. Other people come along and they want to read your comments, and you never know how you could uplift someone and be the light. Thank you. Follow your dream, whatever it is. So it is.